What is going on today, Filthy Degenerates? We would do an unboxing video on all this stuff, but there's too much stuff here and we can't really unbox it and do it all. But Aaron just discovered what Minecraft is and he's super excited about playing it. So excited that he's actually having me build him a computer to play Minecraft on. But little does he know he can edit videos now with all this stuff, so I don't know. We got an X570 MSI motherboard, we got the matching 3060 MSI graphics card, we got 64 gigs of RAM, Ryzen 7 3700X processor, and we got these cool interlocking Lee and Lee fans, and then some memory and stuff, and then this giant ass case. I'm not even going to take it out right now because we got to get all this assembled and stuff, so we're going to get all this, start to put together, and then we'll pop you on a little bit and show you this case because this thing is massive and it's amazing, so stay tuned for that one. Alright, Filthy Degenerates, we got the motherboard mounted up. He doesn't know how to build computers, so I'm having him do it all. So pretty much we got this radiator here. We took it out of a Honda Civic.
When it doesn't boot up, you know what's up.
This thing is massive. We're just starting to get everything. She'll be booted tonight. Thick too. Excited to play Minecraft?
I couldn't be more excited to play Minecraft and prove AJ wrong that I am going to be absolute dynamite at this game.
You're going to punch so many trees.
So many trees. Not going to be as bad as he expects me to be at it. His vote of confidence definitely has got me on a roll.
Alright, you filthy degenerates, we got it in together, plugged in with the 3-to-2 adapter, because that's, you know, that's what we do. So let's see if she boots. So yeah, you got the Lee and Lee uni fans on there. We took the case fans out and put the fans for the radiator in there, so we got some RGB. Got the Lee and Lee Galahad or whatever CPU cooler in it, 240 3060 MSI graphics card. I'd say it's a pretty solid build. So now Aaron can start doing videos that I can just sit at home and drink beer by myself. So if you like the video, drop a like, subscribe if not already. Don't forget to send butthole pics. But next time, peace.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still